And first up, we cut across to breaking news coming in. We are learning from our sources that Dubai is all set to host the Champions Trophy India versus Pakistan match. PCB chief met with Emirates Cricket Board secretary on Saturday, and in all likelihood, this is the decision that they arrived at, where Dubai would now be the place to host Champions Trophy India versus Pakistan match. Rakshita will join us from the newsroom to take us through the details of what we picked up so far, and also when a formal announcement on the same is expected. But it's important to understand whether India will be on the same page, because we're learning that this was a meeting that happened on Saturday, where PCB chief had met with Emirates Cricket Board secretary, and the two had discussed the same. India has made its position amply clear that India will not go to Pakistan for the match, especially after the tactics that Pakistan was up to in order to provoke India, while India has cited security reasons to the ICC. We are learning that top sources are saying that Dubai might be the place where this match will be hosted. Rakshita is with us on the phone line. Over to you, Rakshita. From what we are picking up from our sources on this.
Everybody does know that Pakistan has no option but to give in to the hybrid model, but to accept the hybrid model. Otherwise, the risk will be of the entire tournament moving out of Pakistan, and that is something the PCB cannot afford, Tarisha. And the latest we know is that the schedule might be out very soon. It could be today, it could be tomorrow, it could be also after the broadcast meeting reportedly set to happen on Thursday. So that is something that remains to be seen as to, because the broadcasters issue is something that is very important. And right now what we know is that there was no meeting as such on on Saturday that was supposed to reconvene, but we do know that Pakistan has accepted the hybrid model, and now what Pakistan will be trying to is get more incentives from the ICC, and perhaps that's what it wanted, and it was trying to be adamant while it was while it was negotiating at the meeting with the ICC and the BCCI. Also, there are reports coming in unconfirmed, but yes, the PCB is trying to put in a condition, and it wants to call it a fusion model, maybe playing into nomenclature, not wanting it to call a hybrid model but wanting to call it a fusion model, that from here on, for the next few years, that the ICC events taking place in India, Pakistan will not come to India, and India versus Pakistan matches will happen on neutral venue. But right now, the task at hand for the ICC is as to when will the Champions Trophy schedule and venue be announced, and most likely India matches will be held in Dubai or any neutral venue.
You know, Rakshita, it is just a sorry state of affairs for Pakistan, and how desperately they've tried the one-upmanship in this entire controversy, which has not happened even once. Now also they're forced to give in to what India is saying, and they are trying every possible attempt to save face, only to face a setback again.
I didn't hear your question, Tarisha, but let me just tell our viewers that Dubai is all set to host India versus Pakistan Champions Trophy match, and yes, the latest is that, let me just tell you more updates on that. BCCI had formally, remember, told the ICC that it will not travel to Pakistan. The MEA made it very clear, and that in the Asia Cup last year, remember, we saw that model happening, and that is something that will be adapted. Remember, last year in Asia Cup, only 3 league games and 1 Super 4 match were played in Pakistan. Remaining games were played in Sri Lanka. ICC was reportedly keen to side with the BCCI in the wake of Islamabad unrest also. So India has, of course, cited security concerns, and that is something that we will see officially being announced very, very soon by the ICC. Remember, Jay Shah has taken over as the ICC chairperson on Sunday, and all eyes will be on that official announcement, that formal announcement. PCB remains adamant about not agreeing for the longest time, but it has finally given in. what we know through our sources, has finally given in, and there is no option for Pakistan but to succumb to the demands of India, and that the Champions Trophy matches, especially the India versus Pakistan match, and whenever India has any fixture, will be played at a neutral venue.